How to send order confirmation email on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss everything that you need to know when it comes to this topic. So Shopify technically does this for you, and it's just going to be running for you whenever someone actually orders something from your Shopify store. Automatically it's going to actually send out an order confirmation email. However, you have the option to actually go ahead and adjust how it looks like and what it actually says. So in order to do so and check for yourself or even send a test email to yourself, you can just go ahead and click on settings from the bottom left. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find notifications. Go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you simply just want to select customer notifications. And then from here, you have all the different notifications that they actually get. The one that we want to focus on is order confirmation. So just go ahead and click on this one. And you should actually see the preview for yourself, the name of your store, thank you for your purchase, and then it's going to be the order summary with all the different products that they have actually added. Shipping items, in-store items, and the total at the end. So if you actually want to go ahead and change any of this, you simply just want to click on edit code from the top right corner. And then from here, you simply have this script here and you can feel free to adjust it to your liking. However, I need to say this, just make sure you do copy this entire thing and save it somewhere else before you do anything with it. This is only just to double check that you have things good to go, because if you mess things up, you always have a backup to go to. So if you're happy with it, you can just go and preview it from the top right, see how it looks like, and you can even send a test email to yourself and see how it looks like an actual email form. As you can see, this is the actual email and how it looks like. So this is going to be the default, which is going to send out automatically. Again, you have the full freedom to change it to whatever you like if you have the ability to write code. And that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope that you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.